Designing a paver patio is a really exciting experience. Our office gets tons of emails and phone calls asking us how much a paver patio costs. Being informed about the cost of pavers is so important and will really help you decide if pavers are the best choice for your home. So today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the average cost of paver patios as they relate to size: small, medium, and large. A small size paver patio ranges from 200 to 650 square feet. Within this range, you could be looking at a price comparable to $4,000 to $8,000 if you choose a standard paver design. If your backyard is between 650 to 1,000 square feet, this would be considered a medium-sized project. And in our experience, installing a patio within this range using a cost-efficient paver would be about $9,000 to $15,000. If your patio exceeds the square footage we've just spoken about, you would be looking at a paver patio cost of about $15,000 to $25,000, depending on the details. We can't speak for all companies, but the prices should reflect excavation of the existing patio area, paver delivery, installation, and project cleanup. Installing a new outdoor living space, no matter the size, can be as expensive or as cost efficient as you make it. So adding additional features like textured pavers, seating walls, and larger stones can lead to an increase in cost. So before you decide to select your hardscape contractor, make sure that you review with them your patio project details, costs, and design options. Learn more about planning and installing a new hardscape project by visiting our video library located on our website.